This trooper, who has the world's strongest jawline, looks like he fits into every single stereotype of a hardline officer who will not hesitate to use extreme prejudice, brutality, and turn his body cam off should you be pulled over by him. Not only does he wear his hat extremely low and forward, obscuring his face, but his jawline appears to be so strong and jutting out that it could cut glass. What's interesting is that this isn't the first time the internet has seen this meme pop up. Due to the fact that it first appeared in November 2024, thanks to its original source being a college football game, the image has been going strong for a good while. Then, in November 2025, it would surge in popularity once again as artists would make edits referencing its existence. Common themes include the turning off of body cams and an accent pronouncing the word vehicle as vee-hickle, turning the man into something of a terrifying cartoon character. Some call him Cassius Thundercock after his distinct resemblance to the overly developed Chad and Giga Chad trends. He has quite the social media presence outside of the meme too, featuring on the Tennessee Highway Patrol Facebook page as he was promoted to captain in May. The memes paint him in a light reminiscent of characters like Sergeant Lockjaw from one battle after another, who has no issue employing any means necessary to get his point across, and embodies a very specific stereotype of a roided out authority figure. Seriously, the man outmogs anyone he's next to, and offers a face card strong enough to send him back to the Cro-Magnon era and still come out on top. Apparently, the hat he wears is called a campaign hat, and the reason they end up leaning so far forward is because the strap is meant to be sitting on the back of the head, although some wear it on the chin too. This look has given it the distinctive air of making him look like some kind of henchman military goon, the type of look Soldier from TF2 rocks, although his helmet is more pot-shaped, so it makes sense on that end. It's gotten to the point that people are effectively role-playing as Eric, aka Cassius, as it's a notable event that a person with such an intense visual appearance paralleling that of a cartoon character would be filmed and placed into meme culture. In short, Captain Eric Miller of the Tennessee Highway Patrol has inspired countless memes due to his striking jawline and the position of his campaign hat, as his appearance brings a visual intensity one might expect from a person who is unafraid to turn their body cam off and employ discreet brutality. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe!